Hey there, I just wanted to share a quick hack on how to fix stripped out screws for door hinges. So really a more long-lasting method would be to drill out the holes, glue in some dowels, and then re-drill the holes so that you have really solid connections between the screw and the door. But in this case, I don't have that many issues with the screw holes, there's just a couple, so in that case I'm just going to use a quicker method, in which case I like to just use epoxy putty. So here you can see I'm just mixing up the epoxy putty, get it nice and mixed up. Then what I do is I just create small little pieces that I can worm inside the hole. I put that in there, and then I just drive the screw in partially to drive that epoxy back to the back of the hole, and also start the screw so that it's easier to put back in when I put the hinge back on. So this is actually a pretty easy hack to do. It comes in handy, especially if you have some epoxy putty in your bag. You can fix a door hinge hole pretty easily. But again, if you have quite a bit of issues with the door itself, sometimes it's better just to take the door off, drill out the old holes, and put some dowels in and start from scratch. So I hope this helps. Thanks.